Yeah, welcome back to So Little by Little Enterprise. Yeah, yes, I try video for. Yeah, person, your mom who say quality contents near the background. Our videos will not be like something that we have taken from somewhere and as I did ya copy a few before now you post you or something. We provide you legit and trustworthy content. Say the say if you want to partner with us to do business, you know, say you are in the right source. Yeah, and also I would like to introduce the engineer or the architecture behind our program and behind our consultancy services. Yeah, obey video. I did any maba. I'm a mom say yeah. Yeah, meaning legit. And yes, I did small boys being a cotton baby now. Our person or more near be an answer on person almost scam you. Yeah, Uba so little by little. I forgot to add it. Yeah, your blocks high your snails, your enchanting and adwa. BPI building materials on piano. You get some over here. So I wouldn't say ko baby a okwa omonchire oniema mu oba ha ebi na abotre a checho the quality behind the item you want to buy sadi bi wo hona onti ase a ebi na abotre na ya checho oniema mu. Yeah, and I will also add a number under the screen so that if you want to partner with us and I say if you want to connect with us to have your construction dream come true, yeah, you can reach out to us because we are ready, and I know that you too are ready, and we want to build your dream little by little. So watch out for more.